pinky. There's no jitters. It's idling right now, and you wouldn't even think the car was on. California car, no rust, factory black, red interior. It's got a black German cloth top. The wheels are awesome, and they put red line radials on there. Real cool touch. And this thing's loaded up. It's even got cruise control, air conditioning. It's a factory bucket seat car with the center console. This is a car to just get in and cruise. You're not going to see another one just like this. I think it's a classy ride. Very nice. Underneath, spotless. Again, California car, and the frame and the floors, all beautiful. Front end's all rebuilt. It's got air ride in the back. God, is it smooth. Got glass pack mufflers. This car's for sale at volocars.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put cool stuff like this on there all the time.